the efforts that Duquesne did, and as far as messaging, as far as communicating with parents, it was consistent. I would get these messages again from the president, Ken, and read them and know what's happening and know what the plan was. And I think they were very thoughtful about what they rolled out. They didn't jump to any unfounded conclusions, but they were very thoughtful. And I felt like the students were their first priority. So they made sure they took the time to understand what the students needed. For example, I mean, Thanksgiving, my son came home and they sent out the notice saying that there was testing available for the students before he came home. So I got that email and I texted him. I'm just like, okay, if you're coming home on Friday, don't get your test until closer to you coming home. Well, you know, they're kids. He wouldn't have told me about it. So I love the communication, and the same with what changes on campus and different things available and resources available. As a parent, not close to your student during a global pandemic, I think that effective communication made me feel comfortable that they were prioritizing the students' health and well-being while still allowing them to be students on campus. He wound up being a part of it when the start of the pandemic, so he left the school early. But I felt as though the school was going to attempt to make sure they made a strategic decision for the students and not just making a decision that, you know, may have just been best for the university. So I really appreciate that about Duquesne.